You can use comparison operators to compare two values in an if statement and execute particular piece of code if the statement is valid or not. I have three identifiers here. One is name, which is Jane, age is 21, which is a number, and then I have a message, which is a string, which is assigned as no message, and then I'm printing that message on my screen here. Now I want to change this message to say that if the name is Jane, then I want to print the name is Jane. For that, I'm going to use if statement. I'm going to check if name is equal to Jane. Then I would like to execute particular piece of code in these curly braces. And here I'm going to set the new value of message, which is going to be the name is Jane. And I'm going to end the statement with semicolon. Now if I refresh the page, then the message is going to be the name is Jane. I can also check not equal to. Let's say if I change this to not equal to, that means the name is anything other than Jane, then I would like to change this message. So I'm going to say the name is anything other than Jane. And now if I refresh the page, then it's going to print no message because this line did not get executed. If I change the name of Jane, I can say XYZ here and then save the file. Now this is true. Name is not equal to Jane and the message will get changed. It will say the name is anything other than Jane. So if I refresh the page now, it's going to print the name is anything other than Jane. And you can do the same thing with numbers too. Let's say if I want to check if the age is 21 or not, I can change this to age and check if it is equal to 21. Then I would like to print Jane is 21 years old. And let's change her name to Jane. And now if I refresh the page, it's going to print Jane is 21 years old because age is equal to 21. And now if I change this to not equal to and change the message, Jane is anything other than 21 years old. And now if I refresh the page, it's going to print no message. That means the age is equal to 21. This is not true, and that's why the message did not get set. But if I change this to 22, and now if I refresh the page, then it's going to print Jane is anything other than 21. Even if I make her 100 years old, it's going to print this message on my page. So this is how you can use equal to and not equal to operators. In the next section, I'm going to talk about greater than and less than comparison operators.